In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Smartsheet Workspace ownership. This can be extremely useful for situations where you're handing over responsibility to a colleague or a team member. So let's dive right in and take this step by step to ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll want to head over to your Smartsheet homepage. This is your main dashboard and a familiar starting point for any task you plan to manage. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand panel where you will see a section labeled Browse. Click on that to proceed. Now, with the Browse section open, it's time to locate the specific workspace you wish to transfer. This part might take a moment if you have a lot of workspaces, but make sure to select the correct one as this is where the ownership shift happens. Once you've identified the workspace, you'll want to right-click on its name. By doing this, a small menu will appear, and from this list you'll choose the option labeled Share. This will open the sharing window where you'll handle the nuts and bolts of the transfer. Inside the sharing window, focus on the task of entering the email address of the person who is going to be the new owner. It's important to make sure the email is entered accurately to avoid any mix-ups. After you've entered the new owner's email, check their current permission level. You'll need to set their permission level to admin if it isn't already. This is a critical step because only those with admin privileges can become owners. Depending on whether this user is already shared to the workspace, you might need to click Share at this point. This will ensure they have access, and the next steps can be followed seamlessly. Once the user has been shared to the workspace and is confirmed as an admin, you can proceed. Now, go back to the sharing window and look for the drop-down menu next to the new owner's name. Clicking on this menu will give you various options, but what you are looking for is the one that says Make Owner. Select this option, and with that the transfer of ownership is complete. Following these steps carefully will ensure the transfer is successful and without hiccups. Remember, transferring ownership of a workspace is a significant action, and assigning it to the right person is crucial for maintaining workflow continuity. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Smartsheet responsibilities with confidence.